$425,000. 10.767 acres. 250 Robin Ridge Lane, Los Gatos, California. 95033. Stunning Santa Cruz Mountains property ready for home development. The pre-development work has been completed, topographical survey, septic percolation tests with county-approved design for a standard 4-bedroom system, geological report, September 2017, and geotechnical soil report, October 2017. A well was permitted and drilled producing 10 gallons per minute. Preliminary driveway installed and final driveway preliminary design complete. Design your own home or modify the existing house plans to fit your preferences. Gorgeous Monterey Bay views. Fantastic neighborhood. Great commune location. Los Gatos School District. Bike to demonstration forest for world-class mountain biking. Develop southern-facing hillside for hiking, biking, or gardens, orchard. The tiny houses have since been sold and are no longer on the property. Gated. No drive-bys. Appointment only, no exceptions. Listed by MaryBeth McLaughlin. Room Real Estate. Source: MLS Listings Incorporated. MLS number, ML818269997. Type: vacant land. Utilities for property: electricity, less than 500 feet away. Other facts. Listing class, residential lots and land. Listing type, exclusive right to sell. Lot size area maximum units, square feet. Lot size area minimum units, square feet. Present use, vacant. Subclass, residential lot. Lot description, views, surveyed. Water, well. Utilities, electricity, less than 500 feet away. Sewer septic, other. Additional listing info, not applicable. Parcel access, private road. Development status topographical map available. Listing provided by MaryBeth McLaughlin. Room Real Estate. Phone number, 831-234-6